Hey friends, hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Neha and name of my YouTube channel is Let's Talk About Accounting. Okay friends, now in today's video I would like to explain you something about cash withdrawal for personal use. Okay, so it happens many times that your owner, okay, suppose you're a cashier and your owner tells you that go and withdraw the cash, and after you withdraw the cash he keeps some amount of cash with you for the expenses to be made for company purpose and some amount of cash he uses for himself. Okay, so that means he is using the company's cash for his personal use. Okay, then how you have to pass the accounting entry at that time. Okay, then just remember that a withdrawal of cash for an owner's personal use reduces cash. Yes, our cash balance is getting deducted and requires an additional entry in a special drawing account. Okay, because the drawing account is a capital account, it will have a debit balance that will offset a cash pool. Fine, you have to debit your drawing account. Always remember that whenever the word comes as personal use, an owner is using anything for his personal use, then at that time you have to use drawing account. Okay, you have to debit compulsorily your drawing account. Now let's take one example for better understanding. Okay, first of all, go to accounting voucher. Suppose for example, first we will withdraw the cash. Okay, our owner told us to withdraw the cash of 5,000 rupees. Okay, so I will pass the cash withdrawal entry. Suppose owner told me to withdraw the cash of 5,000 rupees. Okay, and after I withdrew this 5,000 rupees, 3,000 is used for company expenses. Okay, and 2,000 the owner keeps it with himself. Okay, then at that time what you have to do? Okay, first I will just go to cash account in balance sheet, go to current assets and cash in hand. Okay, there you can see that my 5,000 entry is being made in contra voucher. Okay, this is my entry. Okay, it is being reflected over here, but it should reflect in company books only, as that is company cash. So my cash in hand is 5,000 rupees right now, okay, which I have withdrawn right now. But if the owner uses for his personal use, okay, if he wants to use it that for his personal use, then at that time what you have to do, you have to pass one entry in payment voucher. Okay, give cash and create one account that is known as drawings. And under capital account, you should create drawings under capital account and debit drawings. Okay, suppose 2,000 rupees is being kept by the owner for his personal use, then you have to make a payment, because from company's cash he is using that cash for his personal use, and that's why you're making this entry in payment voucher and you're debiting drawings. Okay, drawings means nothing but personal expense. All right, being paid to owner for personal use. You will come across this transaction many times if you are in a proprietary business, because the proprietor's income is nothing but his business income only. So there will be a lot of personal expenses from his company's books. Okay, and that's why you have to debit at that time your drawing account. Fine, I will accept this entry. And what will be the effect? Go to balance sheet, go to capital account, and you can see that 2,000 is being debited over here. Okay, and next go to current assets, cash in hand, and you will see that 5,000 was withdrawn, but in drawings I made a payment of 2,000 rupees. Okay, so my cash expense is getting deducted and my drawings account is getting debited. All right, so this is the transaction which you have to pass at the time of personal expenses or cash withdrawn for personal use. Okay, if at any time you come across this term, just you have to make one additional entry. First one you have to pass the contra as it is, but the additional entry should be under drawings. Okay, so this was about cash withdraw for personal use entry, how you have to account for. Okay, thank you friends for watching my video. Do subscribe my YouTube channel for more accounting related videos. Thank you so much.